We are representing a technique in which there is a bucket handle component of a single flap of medial meniscus. In this case, you can appreciate that there is a horizontal tear of the medial meniscus which is reaching to the periphery, and there is the bucket handle component of the upper flap. The lower flap is intact. Now, these kind of meniscus injuries are very well treated with all inside repair devices. In this particular case, I will be using a AIR Air Plus device from Stryker to repair this kind of a complex medial meniscus tear with multiple components. So we pass the upper pass on the top of the upper flap of the meniscus, and then we will be just lifting it up and passing the second pass on the lower flap of the meniscus, and we will be gently taking it out and then tensioning the meniscus by pulling the suture slowly. You can use a device to adjust the tension. The second passage is similarly made on the upper aspect of the meniscus. So this is the second passage. You make it on the upper part of the meniscus, and then you take it out and pass it on the lower flap of the meniscus. So this way the meniscus tear with the horizontal component can be treated together. So in particular, the both the component, the vertical component and the horizontal component, were addressed together, and the patient had got a very nice repair with both the flaps of the meniscus. Thank you.